So after a little rain this morning, and this is the 20th day of the month of August, year 2010, here's the situation, exact situation ng ating mga drainage canal na kung saan po ay it went with its repair dito sa mga culverts. And here is now yung canal natin wherein meron na pong water in it, no? As a result of yung rain kaninang umaga, and this is now mag 12 o'clock noontime. We still have yung water po dito, and I guess it's not moving, no? So it remains stagnant. Let's have a look at the other side of this imbornal of this culvert. Okay, dito sa kabila po naman, ganito rin ang situation, ano po. May water na, and then yun makikita natin yung culvert. And sa other side ng drainage canal natin, we will notice na meron pa rin tubig na po. And this is na yung canal going to the spillway kung saan itatapon itong tubig, but water is not moving. Yan, steady po yung tubig hanggang doon sa may dulo na saan po magcro-cross doon sa may highway papunta po sa may spillway doon sa catch basin. But still the water is not moving. Water is not moving, and this is only very small rain which started this morning up to say mga 10 o'clock bago mag noon time. And ganito po ang situation ng water condition ng ating drainage canal. So siguro we can deduce or make any conclusion na from this sana mapag-aralan na natin how to make the water move para hindi mag-remain stagnant dito na maaring magiging breeding places ng mga insekto. Sa kabila ng culvert coming from the north, this is how it looks like na, no?